Systems, and I just wanted to brief you on our latest oven die wrap. And you can see it's just a little different in looks, but it does the same purpose. I'll show you how to use that. I have two different sizes for our two different size mugs. The difference with the mugs is that you'll see there's going to be a little nook that we make with our handle. So we'll just snap this into place. You'll definitely hear it and feel it. There it is.
Now, in the past, we've done this with our mug press, but today we're going to be doing it with our convection oven. Now, what's cool about this convection oven is it's a normal convection oven. You can pick it up at any appliance store, and it's a great tool to sublimate any coffee mugs, shot glasses, and water bottles, which we're going to be doing today. Now, these water bottles come in both white and silver. I'm going to be sublimating a silver one. Let's get started. Now, today I brought with me my convection oven. I also have in there a third-party thermometer just to make sure that I get an accurate reading. I have my heat tape, my heat gloves and socket, my die wraps, protective paper, and my image. Now, I also have my water bottle, which comes with two different style tops and a rubber base, but we want to make sure there's no plastic or rubber pieces on it when we get started. So our first step is going to be to align the image onto our bottle. And this is really easy. You just want to make sure there's no wrinkles and that it's nice and smooth. Then you want to apply some heat tape. And what I like to do is just put like two pieces right there in the center. So if you need to, you can still check a corner once it's sublimated. Get our second piece. There we go, nice and smooth. Second step is going to be to apply the protective paper. Now, this is really important because if you don't have the protective paper when you sublimate, then your sublimated image will be on the die wrap, and you don't want that. It's no good. So, once you have the protective paper lined up, you're going to tighten the die wrap with your fingers, just like a quick little finger tight right there. And then you're going to take your socket and you're going to do 2 full revolutions around the bottle. So we have, let's see, 1, 2. And once it's nice and tight and aligned, we are ready to go to the convection oven. So now that we're over here at the convection oven, you can see that I'm using a third-party thermometer. That's because the digital readout isn't always accurate on the convection ovens. So we want to make sure that we get an accurate temperature for our sublimated water bottle. Now I'm going to place the water bottle inside with the clasp out just so the sublimated area gets the most heat on it. Now would also be a good time to note that whether you're using a mug press or a convection oven, that the temperatures and times do vary, so make sure you check out condy.com for all the latest instructions. Our time is up, so I'm going to take my water bottle out. Loosen the bolt. Let's see. 1, 2. Should be able to push it out. I might need to go one more time. Make sure our bolt is nice and loose. It's nice to have these heat gloves on because it is hot. Remove our protective paper. Remove our image. Might need to take your heat gloves off. Oh wow, that looks good. That looks really good. I'm going to let this sit right here so it has a little time to cool. Now that we're finished, we can see that the image looks really nice on the metallic silver, that it gives the image a nice, unique look. And these water bottles come with the choice of top. I think I'm going to use this one. This one looks really nice. And we cannot forget to put our rubber base on. They also come with a rubber base so that it doesn't make that sound whenever you set it down. I'm going to go ahead and put this on. Just stick it on the bottom right there. There we go.
One method of sublimating ceramic mugs is to use an oven in combination with a mug wrap. This method is capable of producing high-quality results and also enables relatively low-cost entry into sublimation. After the design is complete, it's printed onto mug paper. Next, the print is properly oriented and centered with respect to both the handle and the top and bottom of the mug. The paper is then secured to the mug with a piece of heat tape. Now it's time to wrap the mug. After lining the wrap with a piece of general purpose paper, it is centered and wrapped around the mug. The bolt is finger tightened, then an additional 1 to 2 full turns are added. The wrapped mug is then placed into an oven that has been heated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. After the time is up, the wrap and paper are removed. Finally, the mug is cooled by a fan in order to stop the sublimation process.